Hi student, how are you doing with dosage calculations? We are going to continue to have fun with liquid dosage form calculations. Liquid dosage forms is measured in terms as teaspoonful or tablespoonful. Drugs in liquid dosage form are prescribed in weight, whereas the drugs are labeled by concentrations. Since each meal contains specific amount of drugs, we can calculate the volume of preparations that contains the amount prescribed. The first question asks, a drug is available as 25 mg per meal and 75 mg are required. So what are the volumes to be given to the patients? From the information given, the dosage strength available is 25 mg per 5 ml and we need 75 mg per dose. From the information given, we know that there is no conversion needed as both are in the same unit systems. As we think and estimate, the amount of prescribed is 75 mg and the amount per measure is 25 mg. Definitely, if you are good in maths, we can roughly figure out is 75 divided by 25. We will get more than 1 meal. You can also use formula in these calculations. We know that the number of measures could be equal to amount prescribed divided by amounts per measure, or amount prescribed times unit volume divided by amount per unit volume. Thus, we can use the formula to calculate the total number of volume to supply, as the number of measure equal to amount prescribed 75 mg divided by amount per measure 25 mg, we'll get 3 measures. As 1 measure is equal to 1 meal, we should give the patient 3 meals. Let's look at the second example. Suspension gin at 285 mg BD for a week. So the dosage strength available is 125 mg per 5 ml in a 50 ml bottles. To start with, you should know now the dose order is 285 mg, whereas the dosage strength available is 125 mg per 5 ml. Again, no conversion is needed as both givens are in the same unit system, milligram. We now bear in mind that the dose order is 285 mg, whereas the dosage strength available is 125 mg per 5 ml. Therefore, more than 5 ml will be supplied. We can calculate by using proportions of formula methods. For example, in proportion methods, in 5 ml you have 125 mg. So to get 285 mg, how many ml required? So by using 285 times 5 divided by 125, we'll get 11.4 ml. As the patient needs 11.4 ml every time, 2 times a day for a week, the total amount required is 11.4 times 2 times 7 to get 159.6 ml. As 1 bottle provides 50 ml, patient needs around 4 bottles of drug. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please go to the tutorial question 2 for more exercises.